extra early in the morning, so there's a reason I sound dead. And there's TV in the background over in the living room. And yeah, Jacob's about to go to school. I'll show you. Jacob's crying.
Yeah, going to school.
Bye, Jacob. Bye. Yeah, Jacob's gone. Yay. So it's extra early in the morning. Like, what time is it? It's 7 something. So I'm almost gonna get to school. I'm gonna go to school soon. Like, by the time Daddy gets home. Oh no. Twix. Stupid Twix. I always cough in the morning, so yeah. I'm tired. I don't even want to go to school. I bet no one wants to go to school. It's early in the morning. So, it's a Slinky. It's a Slinky. So, I just want to make a video this morning. Because I was bored. Might feel myself walking to school. Okay, let me show you. I was gonna sit on this emoji bouncy ball. Still waiting for the Emoji Movie review. Yeah. I took a picture of myself. Here's my backpack. It's pretty nice. So I just want to make a video this morning because I was bored. So yeah, I might film myself walking to school. If not, I'm doing this. Guys. It's time to tell you when the Emoji Movie review comes out. On August 32nd. Wait. 32nd? Isn't a real day? I have to find another day. I checked out my schedule and 32nd was clear. But it's not a day. Jeez. So you're probably thinking,
Tyler Howard solar eclipse.
It was beautiful. Put in the comments if you saw it. Like, if you didn't see it, you have to wait another 8 years. What the heck am I doing? So the next solar eclipse is in 8 years. So I live in Texas. So I wasn't on the path. I wasn't on the path of the total solar eclipse, which went through the United States. Like, let me show you. It's time for science and geography with Tyler. For the solar eclipse path, I don't know if you can see this good. Wait, hold up. Yeah, light. So it went like straight through the United States and stopped at South Carolina. Still waiting for South Carolina to make one big Carolina, and the Dakotas to make one big Dakota, and West Virginia to come to Virginia. But we have to wait for that, and wait for Puerto Rico. But if you live somewhere else in the world, you always get to see the solar eclipse. I'm happy for you. But literally everyone in the United States made YouTube videos like, why do you need glasses to see the solar eclipse? Why is the solar eclipse such a big deal? Can you see the solar eclipse without glasses? Like, jeez, YouTube, stop showing me these videos. Like, I don't care. I just wanted to see the solar eclipse, that's it. Now I have to wait another 8 years to see it again. So if you live somewhere else in the world, like, so let's say I saw this 360 video last year. It was of the solar eclipse in Indonesia. Let me show you where Indonesia is. Geography with Tyler on science. Okay, so here's the United States. So Indonesia is across from the United States of America. So here is Indonesia. It's a bajillion islands. It also has Papua New Guinea, Singapore, Malaysia, as the Philippines just came, Taiwan, so Japan, Russia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan. Wait, what happened? So yeah, there's also Australia, which got to see it. You know where Australia is. I don't have to show you. So I think that should be all. So yeah, but I'm gonna feel myself walking to school for the first, like, I don't know. Actually, no, I won't.